Hi all of you. My name is Chetan Singh. I hope you are all well. I am an English learner, and for those who are new over here, I want to tell you that I am here to spread positivity in people's life so that I can change their life into something meaningful and worthy. So today we are going to talk about the power of gratitude. You know what is the meaning of gratitude? It means when you pay your thanks to small things in your life, whether that incident is bad or good, you are just happy about it and you are feeling that I am getting some teachings from that particular scenario. When you have this perception towards the things, then your life becomes a great place to live. You become a happier person. You shift your mentality from lack to abundance. And this attitude also gives you the power in hard times when things are not going with you and you somewhere feel that everything is ruined and nothing can happen good in your life. There is no hope for anything better. If that time you adapt this habit of paying your gratitude, then you can overcome that situation very easily. Now come to the point how we can pay our gratitude, how we can practice this small act on everyday basis. For paying your gratitude, you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to do very big efforts. Just keep a small notebook with you. You can call it a gratitude journal, and at the end of the day, when you are going to sleep, just write about each and every incident on that notebook. And after writing about all the incidents of your day, just make it as a habit to find out the positive things which you feel that happened very nicely with you, whether it was someone's praise or you got appreciation for something, or even if you had a bad experience, then also take that experience in a positive manner and try to learn from that experience and write it down what have you learned, and pay the gratitude to God for that particular incident and thank him for make you to come across with that particular experience, because it somewhere helped you to grow in life, to learn a new thing. Gratitude is not all about just giving thanks to things. It is also about feeling a deep emotions of happiness. When you add your spirit, your emotions to that ritual, it becomes a spiritual thing for you. So make an habit of paying gratitude as you are in the spiritual state. It should also about the very small incident or very small happenings of your life. If you wake up in the morning, then thank to that God, because there are many people in this world who are not able to wake up from their bed. If you are eating something, that time thank to that God. There are millions of people who are not getting even a single time meal in a day. And if you are living with your parents, then also thanks for that. There are a lot of kids who are deprived from parenting, but you got this chance to get raised by a very good parents who cares about you, who has given you the chance to get good education, who has given you the chance to do the things by your own wish. So when you start to think about these small blessings in your surrounding, then your mentality automatically gets changed. you automatically start to feel better. Your life start to reflect good opportunities in front of you. It is a subject of implementation. Try to implement it in your life. After some days, you will feel the great changes. I hope you will take away this precious power of paying gratitude and implement it in your life. At the end, I always leave you all with this line: we have to be the change to see the change. Thanks for your precious time. We will meet in next video. Until then, take care and bye.